Do you know you can also run offers on CPA platform like what you see right now? But one thing I would recommend you do is to watch this video from start to finish, and I'll show you guys how to go by this. If not, you're going to lose all your money. So if you're somebody who is really wanted to make money online, I'll urge you to do is to go out there, subscribe to the channel, Online Hustlers Academy, and then turn on the bell icon. And last but not the least, like the video so that whenever I drop an amazing video like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is notification instantly, guys. So that is it. So with that being said, let's go back to our platform. So you can add offers to your CPA lead or any CPA marketing platform like what you see right now, and as easy as that, you're going to make money with it. But one thing you need to know is that you're gonna see, let's go to the bidding section of this platform, and then terms of service of section. You're gonna see that they are going to pay 50 clicks, they are going to deduct $5 from your money. So you can see minimum required is $5. Amount will be deducted only in case if your campaign will be approved. So you see over there, and whenever you need the clicks, the more this amount of money will be deducted from you. So all the in terms in case you want 100 clicks, that means you're going to deduct $100. You need to pay $100 before you gonna get 1,000 clicks on this platform. But how can you do this? One you need to do is that when you go to the CPA section over here, like what you see, you just go to your Google and search for CPA lead or any CPA marketing platform that comes to your mind. All right, so you go to CPA lead right now, and then hit on the first link that appears. So on the CPA lead platform, like what you see, you need to create an advertiser's account. So you can see over here it says advertising, so you need to create advertiser's account. And what is this how advertisers account looks like as compared to the offers or affiliate account. You can see start from dashboard, payment and statuses, and you can see start from dashboard, deposit, campaign statuses, and all those stuffs. So this is advertisers platform account. So what you need to do is to go to any of the CPA platforms out there, and then copy a CPA offers from them and paste it over here. So let's go to the CPA lead section, but do not copy offers from CPA lead. They are not going to accept you, guys. So one thing you need to do is to go to the section over here. I'm just taking this for instance. You go to the section over here, and then you just have to know the payout section. But before you can do this, you just have to, let me use OGRs to show you guys something over here. Let me use OGRs. All right, so let me log in straight to my OGRs account. But guys, remember I've told you earlier on that I'm going to use my main account to show you anything, because people have been reporting me to these CPA platforms, and always my account gets blocked or banned. So now I'm not going to use my personal account. I'm just going to use any dummy. I just create account and then use it to show you guys the step by step whenever my account is being blocked. If you block my account, that's fine. I'm not going, if you report my account to the CPA marketers, I will not be hurt. So when you on the platform, come to offer sections over here, and then you go to this section where it says at the offer section, you just have to filter by payouts over here. So you can see this offer pays you $19 per lead. You can see it says app install, so you just have to, people just have to install the app. So you come to the, click on this and hit on view view them, and you can see there is no direct link over here, so you don't have to worry about that. I've already showed you guys how to create a link on this. So you can see download, make your first deposit, and win 11 games to unlock this content. So you can see this is the instructions, and then description, a modern version of classic you see this is the instructions according to the game over here. So the person has to download, make a first deposit, and they will win and win 11 games. They have to win 11 games after downloading the platform or the CPA offer. So if this thing is not good for you, you can go to this section again and search for another offer that is available in the country that you are targeting. So you can see this is uncapped um offer. So you can see, let's click on this one to view over here. So you can see install, collect 150 coins and to unlock this content. So this one is, I think, is a little bit good than the other one. So you come to the session, just copy their creatives, you hit on save image as, and then you just have to save this image to your computer. You come to this session, you just have to copy and replicate everything. So you come to this session where it says add campaign. After creating your advertiser's account, it's as easy as that. Is like you are creating the same account. So you can see this is a CPI, cost per install, CPC, cost per click, and then CPA campaign. So you have to come to this section where it says select. That means you are going to run a cost per install account. So you just have to add your campaign over here. So you can see our image is so you just have to add an image to that, like you see right now. Let me click on this, and then you can see you just have to add an image. So you can see over here, let's take it that I've already added. This is my image over here. All right, so let's continue. You just have to, if you have any Google Play Store account, you can add it, Google Play Store link to the app. You can leave it here, but we don't have, so you just have to type in your app name. So you just go back to the offer section and then copy the app name. So you can see this is the app name. Okay, so let me copy that and then paste that over here. Okay, so there are more than 15. So let me just have to be less than 25 key words over here. So let me click on that and then clear this one over here and then see. Let me clear over there. So it says, all right. All right, so now you guys see over here, it says description. You just have to go back to this section and come to this section, copy all the descriptions over here, and then come back to this offer. It says not more than 35 words, so you just have to paste and then do editing. So let me paste it over here, and you can see. Let me go straight to the session, and then you just have to edit to 35 words. So let me go back again. And then copy this. So install, open, and collect 15,000 coins. So this is the instructions over here. So copy, let's paste it over here. So let's clear this to see. Install, open, and collect. Install, open. Let me clear this. All right, so now you can see that install, open, collect 15,000 coins. So it is basically easy for them. So let's go to tracking information. Now you just have to hit on this section where it says affiliate network or other third-party source, and then you can see app flyer. If you have access to the source code of the iOS app and all those stuff. So if you have created your own app, you can use it over here, and this is affiliate. So you just have to hit on that, and this is where you're going to paste your link to the app. Yes, this is where you're going to paste your link to the app, the URL of the app. You can see use filter data to if no guide or IDF was not provided by the source. So details, you can detail it over here and then learn more about them before you go out there. So the offer type is app install, so you can pick app install over here, and now paste your code over here, the URL of the app. You just have to post it over here and then paste that same link over here, because whenever it redirect, it will come back to the this redirection your global post back URL. So you just have to come to this session and then paste it over here. Now after adding your link, you come to this targeting and bidding section. So you just have to go back to this offer section and then check the payout. So now you see it says it pays you $10.56. So you come back to this section. Don't bid more than you can afford to pay. So you just come back to this section over here and then bid like so you can see that the cost per install per single is the minimum is 0.03 over here. So now you just have to so first of all, before you add your bidding, you just have to add your country. So you have to add United States. Just add your countries like United States, because this offer was targeting only United States. So you just have to add your bidding. So you just have to type in $2. So at least $2, you are going to $10.56, you are going to get $8.56. So let me pull up my calculator to do certain calculations to you guys. So $8. Alright, so let me pull up my calculator. Let's do simple calculations. $8.56 over here, multiply by 25. So you're gonna get $214 out of this, and before they are going to deduct $25 from you after your offer has been approved. Like you go to the terms of service, so they are going to deduct only $5. So let's deduct that $5 from it. Let's come back to the offer section and let's deduct minus 5. You are going to earn $209. Simple as that. So you're going to earn $209 from that. But you can see, so you can increase it up to 50 and then all those stuff. So let's take it that you gotten 35 clicks from this, and people are promoting this offers for you. So 35 clicks, 350 clicks. So you come back to $8.56. Let's go to the calculator, clear this thing. Let's go back to this, clear everything over here. So let me click on this. $8.56 multiplied by 350, control V. You're gonna get as $299 minus the amount of money that they are going to deduct from it. So they are going to deduct $35 simple from that. So let's deduct $35 minus $35. So that means you're going to earn simple $2,961 out of you running this campaign. So this is how most people are using this to make money as that. So after bidding everything over here, you can increase it up to 1,000 clicks each and every day, and you're to pay $100 for that. Yes. So come to this session again over here, and let's take it that you are paying them $2 for every single install that the person will get for you. Every single installation the person will get for you, and they have statistics and then traffic sources and all those stuff. So after running your campaigns, you can get your statistics over here. Alright, so now this is where your statistics will be listed, and you get to know the offers that converted and the offers that did not convert, and you can track everything over here on your OGR's account also. So you come to the statistics, view statistics, and then view list on all those stuff. You can also track your clicks and all those stuff. So people are going to copy like what you see right now, and you can see people are this offer, this platform gets about 194,000 visitors per every month. So this is how you can use CPA platforms to also make money, as easy as that. So if you have any questions, you can leave that in the comment section, and then like the video, and also subscribe to the channel. So they have so many things that can help you maximize everything. So somebody may ask, how can you deposit onto this platform? So you come to the session, deposit session, and then you can see can deposit via PayPal and then cryptocurrencies, and um this is ACH, and by electronic payments and other stuff, bank electronic payments and other stuff. And then you can do this session where it says wire transfer, so you can get yourself. So let me I'll just help you guys and then drop the affiliate link and then have the promo code for you guys. And if you have any promo code, you can leave it here and then hit and redeem, and the amount of money will be deducted, just withdrawn back for you guys. So they will deduct some money from you guys. So you can see the bonus tip for you. When you deposit, you receive 20% bonus, $20 bonus when you deposit $1,000+, and then you can see why. So they have so many offers for you. Yes, so they have so many ways to help you guys to scale much. So you can go back and you can see over here credit balance instantly, and then minimal amount is to be 250 USD, and then bonus for amount is $1,000 USD. So do not bid more than that, you just have to bid small. So you can see people are building for 0.55, and you can see this is Amazon gift cards and all those stuff. So these people will just have to do that. And then let's go to this session where it says offer type and then CPI, so cost per install. So you just have to filter out and then see the offers that are being. So you can see this offer is similar to the one that we were promoting, and this offer lost mobile and all those stuff. So this offer is paying you 0.10 cents. So this person, if let's take it that this person is earning $5 and is paying these people 0.10 cents, that means these people are making a huge amount of money. So this sometimes these offers are not being created by these people, but they just have to copy and paste them over here. So this is how you can make money with all these CPA marketing platforms out there. So if you have any question, like I said, do not hesitate to drop down everything in the comment section, like the video, and then I have playlist of how to make money online with CPA marketing. So I will show you. I will be updating this platform, my YouTube channel, from time to time whenever I get a new trick on how to make money online. Do not forget to visit my website at www.globalhealthywealth.org. Yes, do not hesitate to visit that, and I have more tips being shared over there. Thank you very much for your time. See you in my next video. Stay safe and then peace out.